Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the functions two parameter, which is arg and kwarg. So basically, one is for the argument, another one is for the keyword argument. So I am creating a function where I am going to call multiple times arg and then uh, keyword arg, and I'm just printing keyword like whatever I have passed into the function. Nothing special I'm doing. I'm just creating a function and printing whatever values has been passed as a parameter to the function. So now I'm calling my function, and when I'm calling my function, I'm writing it. First time I'm writing just first arg as a string, then I'm writing three different arguments. Then when I'm calling it third time, I'm writing kwarg1 is equal to custom value, and I'm changing it different times. Let's observe the output. So I have written the complete code. I have called my function 4 times with a different number of inputs. So let's run the program and check out the output. So here you can see in the output that I'm getting all the things in the output, like I am able to work with the argument and the keyword argument also at the same time in the same function. So if you wanted to use argument and keyword argument at the same time, so yes, you can work with this. You just have to pass it and you can call it accordingly. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.